Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how you can deactivate Instagram account on iPhone. So go to Instagram, go to your profile and go to your settings and privacy. From here go to account center and then from here go to personal details. From here go to account ownership and control. From here tap the deactivation or deletion option. From here you can delete your Facebook account and you can deactivate your Instagram account or your Facebook account. So yeah, this is how you can deactivate your Instagram account and your Facebook account also. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.